Welcome to Trade Thought, Theta Options Trader. We'll recap today's close, look at the futures, and scan our ETF watch list to spot opportunity. I want you all to just subscribe to this channel, check out daily recaps and trade signals, and also ask questions, whether it be about trading strategies or any ETFs or companies, so forth. The markets today closed into red with the Dow down 50, Nasdaq down 30, and the S&P down 11 and a half. Pretty much all down 0.5% with the Dow lagging behind on the move. Looking at the futures, the majors are down, the bonds are up slightly, VIX is up almost 1/4%. Crude is down to 46.80, so it came up a little bit. Natural gas rocketed up to 335, pretty much neutralizing position on natural gas. Gold is coming up to 1196, almost back up to 1200. Silver is under $17 an ounce. Copper is at 266. The Nikkei is down almost 1%. The dollar is still up, and the British pound is at 124. The euro is 106, so it came up a little bit. Let's look at the charts. And this is crude. Crude was up 1% today. This early morning, it came up as high as 10.59, and now it looks like it's coming back down. And on November 30th, which is Wednesday, 2 days from today, we'll find out what direction crude takes. So I like to have options on both directions. Before that day, I stated that yesterday. Let's just add this little trend line here. Let's give us a little bit more direction. So we're looking to play this apex here. And this is one that took a lot of profit on. It came back into our range. Looks like it's almost back down to here, and we wanted to keep trading in this area. Might have another bounce up, but I'm not gonna put a take profit symbol or anything like that. This is natural gas. Natural gas came up, and I'm actually sold it. So for here, for natural gas, we're just going to take a profit on that short term. Gold was up 1%. Was looking good, as well as gold miners. So this was another long play, I'd say. You can see the price levels where I'm looking for my targets. This is pretty much the range we want to get back into, somewhere in there. It's going to take a little bit, but not going to put any more buy symbols until we get up there. And here's the gold miners, which I said did really well. It looks like it's trading right back up, almost 4%. So we'll see this come back up to this channel here. Silver is another one where we went long about 4 days ago, and it looks like it's trending up. So we're in the good side of the trade there. Energy is the same thing. Energy is coming down. Passes 20-day moving average. No buy signals yet, but we're looking for target at 71.23. Utilities came up way past this channel here. Now we have a sell signal, so it's going to be a sell on utilities, and I feel a lot better about that. The utility sector. Industrial sector is taking a break. Now broke its trend line here, so we can add on another short for the industrial sector. Same thing goes with material. Looks like it broke this trend line, closed right below it, so this is another sell on this low volume. This is a big sell symbol here, so we should see this come right back down to, say, this level, just to be safe. This is just covering this gap, so this is where we want to cover it. And here is a play. We're going to see what direction this takes, but in the healthcare sector it looks like it's basing right here, so it might not get below 68.68, and if it does, there's a next target right here, 67.66. If it breaks up, there's no resistance until we get to 86. I'll wait for a symbol there. Real estate sector just keeps on moving up this trend line. Probably see another spike coming up pretty soon. Home builders, big drop today. So the home builders, we're gonna put a sell on it, and this is all today's action. Put a sell on the home builders, looking for this target range there. Retails, you have two shorts on it. You see it come down, broke its trend line, not adding anything else to it. We're gonna wait for this target here. Take some profits on the short. And financials finally got the break we needed. And as far as targets, we have no target yet, but it's got a long ways to go before it finds some support. We can give it one level would be here, 2090. Another level would be here, 21.71. So it looks like this is the range it wants to trade in. We'll see how things go. I feel good about it because of this sell signal, and because of that sell signal, let's add another sell position there. So you just add it on to that, take some profits on the way down. And here is the SPY. Now this is early in the day, and I don't know if it did trade all the way down to 212.66, but that's what it's showing here on this chart. That could be an anomaly, could be something wrong there, but this definitely, if we take a closer look at the SPYs here, and I don't like that, it definitely closed below, so this is definitely another sell. So it looks like this week we might be taking a break from the bullish trend that we've been seeing lately. There's a Dow. And Dow is still above its 20-day moving average. Came down, but we're still short the Dow. Qs, we are short the Qs. And it did break that trend line, so we're putting on another short sell on Nasdaq. And here's the Russell, broke its channel coming up. This is a trend line. This trend line is coming from the past here, but as you can see, there's nothing after this trend line is broken. No support until we come down to 120. Emerging markets are making its way up to here, so we're gonna wait until we get into this area here, which is between 35.80 and 35.50. See what direction it wants to take, whether we go long or short. Japan's taking a bounce, went up almost 1%. I don't trade Japan, just looking at it, it's really choppy in that area. China is back up to the range where we wanted it to be, so this is its channel that it likes to trade in for the majority of the time. So here it's good to put a iron condor in this area and make sure we still cover all the way down to 35.50. No position on it, no movement. And here's India, which we wanted to go long. Now it had a nice big move, up another 0.5%. Still long India, like it. Russia, we are short, and they're gonna be the leaders in the OPEC meeting. So it depends what they do, is what deals they come up. We'll see where Russia goes from there. Europe, still trading downwards on that channel, and the pound is moving up still on that channel. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Subscribe. Peace.